Yeah, it's Mr. Truck here for Kwick Kranker.
Go.
Okay.
I think that was 5 seconds.
Okay, well that's good to know. You remember that 5 seconds?
Yeah.
Now we're going to do it in high speed. Okay.
That was 3 seconds.
There. See, now I got both numbers. That's really important. Yes, it's Mr. Truck here for Kwick Kranker. We're going to do some quick cranking today. Quick cranking on these dump trailers. This has become a real popular trailer for the Kwick Kranker. Is these end dumps. And I've got them. I use them all the time. They're so great. These like 14 footers. Mine's a 16 footer. You can haul anything in them and dump them, 3-way tailgate kind of things. And some of them you can fold down on the side like mine. But they're really popular trailers. I love what I've got. And so many people that are construction workers or all these people that own companies, they might have 3 of these trailers. And who wants to buy 3 hydraulic jacks? I mean, it's thousands of dollars. So we're going to try this one out. This is a pretty good sized dumper. And we're going to show the jack going up and down. And then I'm going to go over to a smaller one. And it's a top crank. This one is a side crank. So I'll show you how both of them work with the Kwick Kranker. So it's all regular for manual jack, and I'm going to take this off and put the Kwick Kranker on there, which is really cool. Because you probably know this, but this one, either the octagonal or the coupler, they both have the extra, the 2-for-1 top cranker. Either one you buy the octagonal one or you buy this collar one, and you'll have 2 of them. You'll have one for the side crank and one for the top crank. So cool, so watch what I'm doing. Now on the side cranker, all you see is my hands because I'm just going to be doing my tools here. This is a 9/16 wrench, and I'm just going to take this off right here. I'm taking it off of this side, but I'm actually going to crank on the other side. I just want to be better for the camera angle. So yeah. I'm going to use the bolt this came with. Actually, we got a pin that we can use too. Yeah, there's a pin that comes with it. You can use that or you can use the bolt. But that's too cool. And the belt that it came with will fit in this collar. So I'm going to put that over here. I think I will use the collar this came with because it just shows you how easy and fast this is. Because a lot of people, and I've done that in some of my trailers, you'll just leave the Kwick Kranker on the trailer. So all you have to do is carry the drill with you, and you jump off the trailer. You jump off the trailer. You carry the drill with you, you just jump out, hook the drill up to the Kwick Kranker, and go. Go to town. Now I'm going to zoom in a little so you can see the action. I'm using this flexed 1/2-inch drill. It's a very powerful drill. I'm zooming out so you can see this actually go up and down, because that's the cool part. It's watching the Kwick Kranker go up and down. Guess you can see it all right there. That's good. This is a side cranker. The dump's behind me. I may go to the other side too, show you both views, but let's go. Man, that's fast. I hope you saw all that. This is this dump, and these things are probably, this one might be rated at 12,000. Mine's rated at 14,000. But whatever jack's not going to matter. It's not going to matter if it's loaded or empty. This Kwick Kranker will do it. So actually I'm going to go to the other side. I want to make sure you have a good view of this jack going up and down. We all want to see the action. So I'm going to put it on the other side. So there we go. So the point here is to watch the trailer go up and down. And it's fast. And there you have it. That's the side cranker, the Kwick Kranker with this dump trailer. And I want to do a special video because these are really selling well. They're really popular, these dump trailers. I love mine, and they're just fun to use. But everybody in construction, everybody in demolition, there's so many things. Even farmers. I used to haul bales in mine. I've had my skid loader in there. You put a backhoe in them. I've had the Jeep in there. And my big Ram Dodge on mine, my big one with the big wide tires, the lifted truck Dodge Zella, I had it in the one at home because it's 16 inches long and 8 feet wide. So they come in all configurations. Mine has a side dump, so it's awesome. On the side dump, it has the side panels, so you can put forklift and lift pallets in from the side on my trailer. But they're made in all those different configurations. Let's see what we're working on here. This is a load trail. We're going to do the PJ next.
Don't go away, MrTruck.tv. We'll be right back.
Yep, this one's partially dumped. It's got a scissors jack on it. They make them in all kinds of configurations. Some are telescoping cylinders, and some are these the big scissor kind of cylinder. That's what I have. But yeah, these are wonderful trailers. Now with our Kwick Kranker, I'm going to be doing the top cranker. So that's all I got to do. Just take this top piece off. It's got one little bolt. And this is the top cranker. So I was kind of surprised that these dump trailers could have either one of them. I thought they were all side cranks because I'm used to the really heavy duty ones. And these are some smaller ones. So, because Kwick Kranker is a 2-for-1, you get a tool for both the top cranker and the side cranker in a collar type, or a top cranker and an octagonal one for the side. So this particular top jack had a little bigger stud on it. This was the Ram brand. We've seen this on some of these smaller dump trailers and a few of the car haulers. They've got an in-between size. So TC of Tennessee, Mr. Kwick Kranker himself, is building a sleeve to fit this in-between size. So you'll be able to use the same kit to be able to do a little different top crank, bigger stud size, and still make everything work. And we've had this on my tilt trailer. I'll show you the trailer. It's at 8,200 pounds with a Jeep on it. So that's what we're lifting up and down, which means we're over 800 pound ton weight. So that's what the contest is which one's faster. Okay, we're checking out the Kwick Kranker on this flex drill versus electric jack on the trailer. Now, the one I'm hooked to here was the manual jack. I had to hand crank 100 times to get it up and down. And we got hooked to the Kwick Kranker, so we're going to see which one's faster. How much you want to bet on me? Oh gosh. Okay, folks, it's MrTruck.com testing this Kwick Kranker. We're going to check out the electric jack on my tilt trailer and versus Kwick Kranker on my old manual jack. I hooked the Kwick Kranker up to where the old hand crank was. We're going to see how fast it can go up and down. Yep, go! Okay, well, you're about, what do you think, 5 seconds after me? Maybe. You can see that there's a big difference in the speed of them. Okay, let's race to the top. Race to back to the rear, load, unloaded. And we're going to actually load the ball. We're going to set it right back down and see how long that takes. Are you ready, son?
Yep.
Here we go. Are you pushing that button? Well, keep going. I've got it already retracted. Slowly the electric jack goes down. Slowly, slowly. Now, folks, I don't know if you can see me or not. This is Mr. Truck doing another review with the Kwick Kranker. Now, this one is about how fast the Kwick Kranker is versus an electric jack. And this has a lithium battery on this tilt trailer. We're at 8,200 pounds. I just charged up the battery, make sure everything's fair. My son's going to run the electric jack that's on a trailer, and I'm going to run the Kwick Kranker. We'll see just how fast it is. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, well, you're about, what do you think, 5 seconds after me?
Maybe.
Yeah, so you can see that there's a big difference in the speed of them. Okay, let's race to the top. Race to back to the load, unloaded. And then we're going to actually load the ball. We're going to set it right back down and see how long that takes. Are you ready, Sam?
Yep.
Here we go. Are you still pushing that button?
Yeah.
Well, keep going. I've got it already retracted. Slowly the electric jack goes down. Slowly, slowly. And there's the two motors for the two different jacks. One's a flex with a Kwick Kranker, and the other one's just a plain old electric jack. Yeah. Too cool. It does work though. It's all I use is the collar on that shaft on the manual jack. Pretty simple. Okay. Going the right direction? Hopefully the camera catches all that. I'm going to pull that camera out here in a second.
So you guys should like, subscribe, and we'll see you at the gas station.
And thanks for watching. Come visit us.